Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2012 TL. The Acura TL is a strong choice for people looking for a mid-size luxury vehicle. Offering a typically spacious Acura interior, this car is loaded with high-tech features and receives top scores in crash tests and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.